Alright guys, so I've been actually receiving a lot of comments concerning the deposit on EBI exchange, and to actually stress the fact is that nobody has actually received any token. So millions of people actually made use of EBI exchange since they missed the other exchanges, or those that actually felt like they don't want to go through the stress of registering. So it's not only you guys alone, so it's everybody. So I just want to clear that for everyone. So you did the processes correctly, so even those that are even much more complex than this, it's done with ease. Talk less of you just connecting your wallet and copying your user ID. That is the little of the thing you can do when it comes to crypto. Do you get that? So you didn't make any mistakes. So the issue is from the EBI exchange. So now let's actually check their website and let's see. Now let's even check their Twitter account first, so you can see their post right now that we are working diligently to manage the heavy traffic from millions of users. Scaling our system will take some extra time. As an apology, affected users will receive 50,000 EBI points. So you can see that is actually rubbish. It's actually expected to happen because it's more or less like a new exchange that is just trying to scale up, and all the likes of Binance, Bybit, OKX, they've experienced this kind of website breakdown when they exploded with a lot of users coming in at a very huge numbers. Do you get that? So it's expected and bound to happen, but it's actually something that is not interesting to hear. So the people, do you get that? So you can see them updating the people. So it seems that nobody have actually received anything on their account. Do you get? So let me show you my account. Let me just show you. Let me show you EBI. So no one has received anything on their EBI exchange. So again, just as you can see down here, you can see that cancel 407. Let me reload the page for you so you can see what I'm saying. And the website is still not working perfectly. Can you see down here? Can you see 4007? So the website is not yet balanced at all. Do you guys get that? So you've not done anything wrong. Do you get that? So and looking at what will happen right now, lots of people have lost values, and you can also see that their HMSTRSPOT/USDT, there's no movement at all. You can just see that this is how it has been for hours. This is how it has been for hours. There's no trading movement, no buying and selling. You can just see at this price thus far, you can see minus 99.93. that's how it has been for hours right now. So this just calm down, just chill. You can sit back and see what will actually come from that, because they want to reward people with 50,000 points, but that does not, I don't think that will be able to compensate for the losses that people have actually incurred using their platform. So don't just bother yourself too much on this. Don't beat yourself, because there's little to nothing you can do in this case. The thing that you can do is to actually accuse Amstar of bringing on board a premature platform. You get that? So that is not your fault, and you did what is right. So what you can just do right now is for you to hope that they rectify their issues and bring back your tokens back to your account. So you should have your tokens on this website once it is deposited to your account. Do you get that? So according to the information given, you are going to have it here on your HMSTRSPOT. So if it's available, what you are going to see is just click on sell, and then you are going to see that you have your value that you have will be here, where the value you have will be here. You get that? So that is actually how it should be, but nobody has actually received anything out of the millions of users. No one has received anything. You get that? So all of their social media platform, no one seems to have received anything. You get? So it's so pathetic. So even if you check their Telegram page, you can see a lot of issues. I haven't received my Amstar tokens. So that's to actually tell you that it's everything. So you can see. So I'm going to even drop the link to their Telegram channel, Twitter channel, for you to go and check through, so you can see. So it is general for everyone. Lots of people actually having their tokens hanging. Do you get it right now? So just keep calm, stay back and relax. There's nothing you can do at this point. It's either for you to chastise Amstar for bringing EBI exchange, and also chastise EBI exchange for actually disappointing and disenfranchising people that use their channel. Do you get that? All right, so I think I will have to end this video here right now. So just stay back. sit back and relax. Just keep following up on their social media platform, and see you're able to have access to what you've withdrawn to their exchange. Alright guys, this fintech space, this is just to update you guys, I will not keep you afloat. Alright, bye for now. Do you have a nice time?